Hi friends, in this session we will going to do the data analysis of Latin square design 7 treatments, that is 7 by 7 Latin square design. Okay, you can see the process in this video. Um, it's a little bit complicated to do all the formulas over here, but we will provide you this sheet as a paid sheet. If you want, then definitely you contact us, and you will get my WhatsApp number in description box of this video. But before that, to closing this video and go to the description box, just learn and just watch here what you will get in this video or in this Excel sheet. Okay, and at the end of this video you go to the description box and just contact me. Okay, let's start up about the allocation of treatments. Okay, you can see here the rows and here are the columns. So we have the 7 treatments, so we allocated the letter for each treatment. Okay, for example, treatment first we allocated the A up to G for treatment 1 to 7. Okay, so in this column you can see we are not repeating any character, means once A only, once B only, once C only. Okay, and in this row also we are not repeating any character or any letter. Same for this second row, same for this third row, same for this fourth row, and same for the column first, second, third. We don't want to repeat any letter in same row or in same column. Okay, keep in mind. You can modify these letters, but you can put A, B, C, D only, but you can switch the places of all the letters as per your research. Okay, so if your A value first is here A, then definitely this A should not be here because we are not repeating anything in a column or in a row. So as per your treatment allocation, you can put A, B, C, D. Okay, and as per your data you can put the data here. You need to change only these red color values. Okay, rest of all things will do automatically by our Excel sheet. Okay, because it's a fully automatic sheet. You'll get here the grand total, then you'll get here the row total or row average, then you'll get here the column total, column average. Here is very important part. You can see the treatment total for 7 treatments, because we need to calculate the each and every square of that treatment. Means we have 7 square, we put it all the treatments here. Okay, so for example we consider the treatment A, then we need to obtain the total for treatment A. Okay, how we can obtain the total of treatment A? We need to find where is the A. Okay, so you can see first one A is here in this row, so that we need to select first value. Then for second here, then we need to select second A, third A here, you can see the third, then fourth A, then fifth A, then sixth A, and seventh A. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can see here the 96.8 sum. Okay, let's check our formula. 96.8 correct. Then see the average 13.829. We will get the 13.829. Means our formula and design working fine. Okay, so this design we designed. Not need to do anything by yourself, just you need to change the data and you will get everything here. Okay, it's very simple to do the analysis in Excel. Then you will get final thesis table here. You can copy this table and put as per the format of your thesis. You can do that. Below that, very important, you will get the ANOVA table. In ANOVA table, you will get the source of aeration. In that, you will get the treatment, rows, column, then error degrees of freedom, that is residual, then degrees of freedom. Okay, for sum of square, mean sum of square, you will get that. Then you will get significance. Okay, significance for 5% and significance for 1%. In agriculture, we consider the 5%, but sometimes we also consider the 1%. So as per your research, you can consider both we given in this sheet. Okay, you will get here the significance, whether the treatments are non-significant or significant, whether row column are significant or non-significant for 5% or 1%. You will get everything. Then another, you will get the CV value, standard error mean value, standard error difference value, and you will get the CD value for 1% and 5%. If your treatments are non-significant, then don't go for the post hoc analysis, that is CD comparison table or bar diagram or like that, or Tuckey's rank or DMRT. Like this analysis don't need to go. Okay, another, you'll get the graphical data representation in this sheet. You just need to change the axis title as per your need. Okay, if any query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box, and if you want to buy this sheet, then definitely go to the description box of this video and you will get my WhatsApp link. So just click on that and contact me. Okay, if any query regarding your research or any data related query, then definitely ask me. Okay, thank you so much for watching.